G'day everybody, welcome to Rides and Vibes. Today I'm going to take you for a tour around the Grand Chancellor here in Adelaide. We're doing a bit of a staycation here just for the Christmas period. So I'm going to take you for a tour around the place. So come on everybody, here we go. Alright, so as we walk through you do have a cocktail bar. Now this is open at the night time. So this is where you can get like $20 cocktails and that sort of stuff. It does have happy hours, which is right here. And also, you know, beer, wine, cocktails. As we come through, then you do have up here a restaurant. Now this is all in the lobby, which is pretty cool, but that's a bit of the restaurant menu. And then we're going to around. It's like a map of Adelaide. So it just shows bits and pieces that are around, which is pretty cool. And then just some pamphlets in case you're needing some pamphlets for your trip, wondering what to do in Adelaide. Now each lift is actually different, but they all have bits and pieces around Adelaide. So this one here is in the Barossa Valley, I believe. And then over here we've also got the Big Bend in Murray River. But every single one of them are completely different. So there's three lifts, but they've all got different pictures inside the lifts. And so far that's just a bit of a tour of the lobby and just the restaurant. Now the restaurant is upstairs. It is full of people at the moment, so I didn't want to go up there and film them because I wasn't actually eating. But there is all you can eat buffet up there as well, but you do have to pay. It's around $25 per person. So we're staying in room 313. So this is, as soon as you walk through, this is obviously the door, and then you come through here and you've got, you know, 4 glass mirrors, which is kind of nice. I'm using my new camera. This is the DJI Nano, which is what I'm using today for this for filming in here. Normally I do use the Pocket 3, just in case you're wondering. But in here we do have coat hangers. It does have an ironing board. The ironing board cover has fallen off. You did, didn't you? And that's all that's basically in there. You do have an iron up the top there, so ironing board and an iron, which is nice. We do turn around straight from here as we come through just the main door there, and we do also have the toilet. Well, this is very, very bright in here. You've got lots of room in here, just like quite a lot of room, which is fantastic. You do have some hand and body wash and also skin lotion just there. Some toilet tissue paper. There's nothing there. Got some toilet paper. Toilet paper is single ply toilet paper. Ooh, single ply. Do have a vanity kit. You do also have a shower cat. You got some nice little towels there. So turn around. Here is the shower. Here is the shower head. Here, and I don't know the pressure of it because we've only just come in as of today. Also, you do have some shampoo, some conditioner, some body wash there as well. You do have your little tap, which you do it from, so you tap from here and directly up there. Towels are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also just to place it on the ground to stop all the water getting everywhere. And we do have the toilet, which Willow was playing with. And we always like to do a bit of a flush test. That's about a medium for the flush. Not too bad, not too bad. About a medium. We'll give that about a 1 hour. Let's give that a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. It's a decent flush. It's a decent flush. We like decent flushes. When it comes to toilet, we come through here. And now this is where you got the bedroom basically. You do have 1 and 2 beds. Now, for the bed wise, it is firmish, but not super firm. It's on the firmer side, but it's not too firm. It's actually quite nice, which is good. So it's not to the softy sleeping on a cloud. It's not as hard as a rock, but it is quite firm. Not super firm, but it is firm. Also, you do have a nice sized TV. Oh, wait a second. You are watching Rides and Vibes on there as well. So you do have some pillows. The pillows are not too bad. They're not the greatest pillows in the world, but they're not bad. They're kind of still quite firmish. I think they're going to be good if you do sleep on your back or side there. You do have some, just a nice little painting over here. You do have the same painting here. Now, these paintings are in every single room. They're exactly the same. We've also got the room next door. So that room there, this one, these paintings are exactly the same. So you do also have the hidden Mickey here as well. Even though this has nothing to do with Disney, you've got a bit of a hidden Mickey there, which I like to call it. Now, we also do have these two USB ports right here. Power can be off. And then over here, that is pretty much, well, it for the USB ports, but you do have over here, just got some regular drawers over there. We do have a desk here, so you can actually do your computer work. So if you did bring your computer, you can actually do your work here, which is pretty good as well. They do also have LAN cable here as well. So yes, they do have Wi-Fi network, but if your work actually requires a LAN cable, they do have that, which is quite rare. You don't see that very often. So yeah, I'm just kind of amazed by that. These are the rooms that we've got. They're all exactly the same. So 203, 313, 205, they're all exactly the same. And that is because we've just got people staying there, so that way we can jump into their rooms when we need to. Now you do have two comfortable chairs here. Obviously, we've just got Duffy in the corner there. He's chilling out, looking after my camera bag. And that is basically there. Oh, we've also got some cupboards over here underneath the TV. We do have some sundries. So you've got the coffee maker. You've got a kettle. Also got some caffeine there. We open this up here as well. So they do have some wine glasses as well. So you can order some wine up here into your rooms. And you've also just got some cups and glasses there as well. In this cupboard here, you do have a fridge and a little freezer there. Now, one of the things that I find interesting is what this place doesn't have in the room is it doesn't have a safe. Sometimes I have the safes in here, but no. There's actually no safe. That's kind of interesting that there is no safe. It's not saying that doesn't happen very often, but there's just no safe. And that's very interesting. Just making sure I'm not forgetting everything. Yeah, we've walked around this whole room, but there's actually no safe. Interesting. But yeah, this is the room. This is the room we're staying in. I'll show you some more amenities and all that sort of stuff very, very shortly.
Hi everyone, just a quick pause because we've got something that's going to save you serious money on your next trip. You know how travel adds up fast, activities, tours, attraction, transportation, it all gets expensive. That's where today's sponsor Klook comes in. Klook is basically your one-stop shop for booking experiences all over the world. We're talking theme parks, food tours, airport transfers, SIM cards, museums, thousands of things to do in over 2,000 destinations. And the best part, you're getting deals that are better than booking at the gate. Whether you're exploring Tokyo, hitting up theme parks in Orlando, or island hopping in Thailand, Klook has you covered. Here's the deal. Head to the link in the description or just scan the QR code on the screen right now, search wherever you are traveling and use the code Rides and Vibes Klook at checkout. New customers get 10% off, and even if you've used Klook before, you'll still get 3% off. That's money back in your pocket for more adventures. So check out the link below, scan that QR code, browse what's available in your destination, and don't forget to use that code Rides and Vibes Klook. Your wallet will thank you. All right, back to the video.
Now, if you are staying at the Hotel Grand Chancellor, you're looking at about a 9-minute walk to Adelaide Oval if you're looking for football, around 5-minute walk to Rundel Mall. Fast food is around 1-minute walk away, and the walk to the tram to get to Glenelg or the entertainment centre, that is literally 5 minutes away. So if you are staying at this hotel, it's really close to everything, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, so just through this door here, we do have the gym. Gym there's a sauna in there. It does have males and females toilets. They do have showers in there as well, so you can have a shower after you've been to the gym. Now, you do have step machine, treadmills with the kids running on them. You do have some weights over here as well, and obviously a big giant mirror. You do have water, and obviously you've just got the free weights over here, the dumbbells up here, and a bit of a TV. And as we come through here, here is the swimming pool, and just over straight ahead is the spa bath, and you've got the big, huge swimming pool as well. Don't forget the sauna is just in there, because that is where the gym is as well, so you can go through the door into the gym. There is a door there as well. But yeah, that is the pool. I don't want to go too close because there are kids swimming in there, but that's the swimming pool.
So we're currently jumping in the pool. Are you ready? Wait, swap sides because I'm going. Can I hold? No, I'm holding it. Can I hold it later? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
But I'm going to have a look at it now.
Go check it out.
Huh?
Go check it out.
It's still recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
So that's everything here at the Grand Chancellor. As always, keep riding those vibes, and I hope you have a wonderful day.